Okay, this is a short video to share how I think I got rid of the buzz. It definitely is gone. So what I did was I downloaded from Libsyn the original MP4. Right, where would that have been? There's the keynote right there. So that's from Libsyn. And then I used FFmpeg to extract the MP3, which is that one right there. And then I opened up that MP3 in Audacity, and it's importing now, so that'll take a second. You can fast forward to get to the point where I've imported it in. Almost ready. And it's imported. Let me bring the screen over so you can see it. All right, so here's this. Let me zoom in on the thing. And so what I did was I had to find a space of time where the buzz was the only thing in the audio, not her voice and not her breathing. Unfortunately, I found one at about 2 minutes and 47 seconds. So let me zoom in on that. Let's go back a little bit here. 2 minutes 47. It's zoom in one more time. Get rid of some of these things out of the way so I can see. Oh, it's right here. So it's actually between 246 and 247. So this segment of space, let me zoom in one more. So this segment of space right here has just the buzz. You may or may not hear that, but that's the buzz. And so using that, that's going to be, I've highlighted it, so that's my sample. And then I use, oh, it won't show up on this screen, but I go under Effects, and I go to Noise Reduction, and it says, here we go, get the noise profile. So I've highlighted what I want. I got the noise profile from that highlighted section. And then I click off and I select everything. So I select all the audio, and I do another noise reduction. Comes up and it says, how much? What's my sensitivity? I left the 12 alone. I left the 3 alone for the thingy, but I changed the sensitivity to 24, and I said okay. And so that takes some time. So you can fast forward from here to the follow-up segment. Do 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 do. It's hold music. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. It says there's 50 seconds remaining, so more hold music. Do 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 do. This is why I was not a music major. Do 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 do. And some more hold music. Got about 30 seconds remaining. So what we're going to do when it gets to the end here, when it's almost done, as you can see, it's still kind of moving along. Chunka, 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 chunka. We're actually going to do it again. We're going to do the noise reduction twice, and it does actually take the noise down. But I wanted to show the whole effect. So hopefully this works for the other video too, for the other gentleman, or for the other presentation gentleman. So it's almost done, and poof. It's done. So I'm going to go ahead and play that segment that was our sample, and it does have that buzzy sound. It's very, very faint now, but we're just going to do this again. We're going to select it all. We don't even have to do another sample. We just say select it all, go over to Effects, go to Noise Reduction, brings it back up, says do the sensitivity at 24 again. It's going to reapply it. I say okay. Got another minute and 32. You can advance to the end of this if you'd like. Do 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 do, and it's still going on. So what's going to happen is we all have done this twice, and then when you play the whole thing and compare it to its original, it definitely sounds better. It still has some buzzes in spots where it probably can't discern her voice from the buzz and is left alone, but it's much noticeably better in terms of listening, where the buzz doesn't become the focus. I can actually listen to her talk and not be really super disturbed by the buzzing as it came and went, or actually it was always constant on the original. Got about 20 seconds. Again, you can fast forward to the end where the bar is all the way at 0 in time remaining. Don't hire me for elevator music. And it's done. And then so I can listen to this sample area segment again that I used. And I can't hear it at all. So then when I play this from the beginning, and usually I get past the intro music and go over to this segment right here at about just before 10 seconds.
Therefore, it's requisitely...
You can't hear the buzz that occurred before, and so it's much better. So I can export this out as an MP3, and I'll definitely send it to you, but I didn't know if you had another method where you needed to do something with it to get it back and integrated into Camtasia. And that is Audacity beginning level noise reduction that I discovered. The end.